नमस्कार दोस्तों, संवाद भारत में आपका स्वागत है। एक नया वीडियो आपके सामने अभी लेकर आ रहा हूँ और ये विषय थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग है। आज हम एक ऐसी टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे जो सामान्य तौर पर आपको मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया में या कहीं पे भी चर्चा के लिए नहीं मिलेगा। तो आज का विषय ये है मीडिया, कोरोना और सरकार। मैं ये जो वीडियो है मैं ये मिक्स्ड भाषा में करना चाहूँगा। मैं इंग्लिश और हिंदी में मिक्स करके ये वीडियो करने का पसंद करूँगा। इसका कारण ये है कि ये जो वीडियो है ये मैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी ऑडियंस, जो दोनों ऑडियंस है, उनको मैं ये ज़्यादा करके उनके लिए अपील करना चाहूँगा। और वैसे ऑडियंस को ये कंटेंट मेरे हिसाब से किधर भी अवेलेबल अभी फ़िलहाल है नहीं, और होंगे भी तो बहुत कम लोगों ने देखी होगी। तो मेरी भी एक कोशिश है कि मैं अपने तरफ से कुछ मेरे जो विचार है वो रखूँ। तो बेसिकली मीडिया, कोरोना एंड गवर्नमेंट। सो मीडिया, कोरोना एंड गवर्नमेंट का एक जो तालमेल होना चाहिए, कोरोना के बाद जब से कोरोना आया है तब से लेकर अब तक का जो सिचुएशन है उसको लेकर हम बात करेंगे। So in the year 2019, when in the November, when we first heard about corona virus being spread in China, what was our reaction? Our reaction was, चाइना में कुछ तो आया है यार, I mean क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, let's do our work. So we ignored it. And then in the month of January, I think end of the January, first case of corona was reported in Kerala. And that time too, I mean, we did not take it seriously because no one knew what is corona, and there was no data available from China or WHO about corona's seriousness. तो हुआ यूँ ना कि आया कोरोना, एक केस आया, देन मार्च में मल्टीपल केसेस आए, एंड देन व्हेन मल्टीपल केसेस आए एंड देन सडनली आवर गवर्नमेंट क्या किया, सी, first of all, the investigative journalism part was missing here. Of course, when you don't get a data from a country like China, it is media's responsibility कि आप investigate करें कि China क्या suppress कर रही है. But you don't dare. Media doesn't dare. Media forgot the investigation journalism part. That's okay. ठीक है, we can I mean agree to the argument that media goofed it up. Okay, fine. Now let's see what happened later on. First time when Narendra Modi government took the thing seriously and announced a program called what we say, Thali Bajao and Thali Bajao. So he asked the people of the country to test the people of the country कि अरे भाई, आप लोग एक दिन अगर आप लोग घर के अंदर बैठोगे तो कैसा फील होगा, एंड सी इफ यू कैन स्टे इन वर्ड्स एंड लेट्स फाइट दिस कोरोना, दिस इज समथिंग सीरियस. तो लोगों ने भी दे डेफिनेटली गेव excellent response to PM Narendra Modi's call on May 19th, and people started banging plates, clapping hands and everything. Even the opposition leaders were seen doing the same thing. Now from here onwards, media and the government had a very important role to play. First of all, how serious the corona can be, and they started reporting it. Excellent. Media started reporting daily cases, and then we got to know about the dashboard, and the dashboard from each state, from this state to that state, the numbers kept on increasing. But the way it was increasing was still very low compared to, I'm talking about the wave one, compared to America, Brazil, Spain, Italy, where almost massive population, almost a 50% population were affected in the first wave. In the country like US, 22 lakhs people were affected. Now what? Now comes the criticism, now comes Narendra Modi's lockdown on May 20, and the real politics played. The opposition rule states, which doesn't like Narendra Modi, what they did is they did the mess of the lockdown. Because law and order is a state subject, their cases kept on increasing. They did the mess of the lockdown. They didn't ensure the safety of the migrants, and the photos where migrants are going were taken. I mean, along with them, the media started. अरे वो देखो वो जा रहा है एक बंदा, उसका शूटिंग करो. अरे वो देखो उसको खाना नहीं मिल रहा, उसको शूटिंग करो. And then what? When the genuine people were keeping and telling them that भाई मेरा अरेंजमेंट ये फलाना स्टेट से नहीं हो रहा बट मेरे स्टेट में जाके मुझे हो रहा है, then they kept planting the stories. So what happened? International media got a chance. They kept calling the international media, and then our people in the journalism here start writing in the New York Times. ये हो गया मीडिया का रोल. ऐसा होता है. मीडिया का रोल ऐसा नहीं होता है. मीडिया का रोल होता है आप आपके देश की कमियां उजागर करो, देश को बदनाम नहीं करो. देश की कमियां उजागर इसलिए करो क्योंकि नो वन वॉज प्रिपेयर्ड अबाउट सच अ मैसिव पैंडेमिक, and we did it. Of course, didn't have the infrastructure. In spite of the infrastructure limitations which we faced, instead of patting on our back, what we did was defaming our people, our government, and our entire administration, which is busy in fighting COVID, be it doctors, health workers, everyone. What happens then is demoralizing of this entire energy, and then starts a gundaism of people who started rampaging, beating, spitting, and more spreading corona. Fine. This was there was a definitely lack of communication from government of India also, and people who did not like this central government definitely played a spoil sport, took the opportunity of that lack of communication, because when you are fighting something, you are concentrated on that. You don't bother about your PR activity. At the same time, you ensure that everything is okay. The media here, आपने क्या किया? हमने ये सोचा है कि मोदी गवर्नमेंट को ही कल्पिट करेंगे. महाराष्ट्र में इतने केसेस है, आग भाई आग बंद. अच्छा, मैंने एक जर्नलिस्ट से बोला, जर्नलिस्ट ने ट्वीट किया, व्हाट द हेल इज मोदी गवर्नमेंट डूइंग. मैं बोला आप कहाँ रहते हो? बोला मुंबई. बोला आपकी सरकार क्या कर रही है? हेल्थ तो स्टेट सब्जेक्ट है. वो मोदी गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट गिविंग अस एनीथिंग. अच्छा, सो व्हाट डू यू हैड? Whatever you had, did you apply it to the state? I am blocked. Okay, then comes next journalist. Same, sir, blah blah, center, blah blah blah. Okay, center did not do anything. And when I come up with the data saying that center ने ये दिया, ventilators दिए, सड़ रहे वेंटिलेटर्स, आप यूज नहीं करोगे. वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम है वेंटिलेटर, आप यूज नहीं कर. आपका है ना एक ईयरफोन, आप 1 महीना यूज मत करो, आपका ईयरफोन खराब हो जाता है. और वेंटिलेटर है, ब्लडी वेंटिलेटर्स यू आर नॉट यूजिंग. हमको वेंटिलेटर के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है. हमको इतना पता है कि भाई हमको पैकेट आ रहा है, वो पैकेट के हिसाब से हमें बोलना है. ये उन्होंने बोला नहीं है, ये मैं एज्यूम कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज इट इज अ फैक्ट. दीज जर्नलिस्ट just ignored the massive COVID spreading from Maharashtra, Kerala, and Chhattisgarh. People died because China lied and Indian media faked. It is clearly Indian media, certain agenda, certain people sitting in the Indian media who hates Narendra Modi has killed so many people. Apart from that, their PR activity for certain government has again affected the people of the country. Now they shamelessly write articles that we have 2 lakhs deaths in India, but they will not write that out of that 1 lakh is from Maharashtra, and the state health is under state government health department. Now for example, if a government purchases a number of vaccine, B government is just bothered in blaming the center. And then what Mamata Banerjee does? Ask center to give all the vaccines for free. She will take all the vaccines free from center and then keep her photograph in the vaccinations. Why? when the center gives you, and center doesn't play politics because it, for them the people of India are equal, you play bloody politics and then you blame center and they keep confusing people. ये जो मीडिया और सरकार और राज्य सरकार केंद्र सरकार के बीच में जो तालमेल की ज़रूरत थी, एज ए कंट्री वी शुड हैव यूनाइटेड एट दिस टाइम ऑफ द पैंडेमिक, वी just played to the gallery of foreign powers. Who is, acha, tell me one thing, has anyone apart from Donald Trump after his exit spoken about China virus? These bloody people are talking about Indian variant. Nonsense. This variant, what is the variant? Variant is nothing but the mutation of virus. Where is the origin of the virus? It is from Wuhan lab virus, right? They leaked it, right? So killing the people, is Chinese Communist Party responsible? The communist mindset is responsible, and the communists in India who are supporting and not even questioning China are responsible. They are at the academia, they are at the law field, they are at the media field, and they should be prosecuted for this criminal negligence. Yes, government has its limitations, but we should at this moment support state governments and central governments equally. The fourth pillar has damaged everything. Instead of showing mirror to its own governments, they have started doing the PR for governments, and it's a sad state of affair. And as a citizen of India, I am concerned. I am concerned with the state of democracy in India, where the media is silent and taking sides. Absolutely not acceptable for a people like us. Then we as a citizens will come out and question you, and if we question you, you block us. If we question you on Twitter and Facebook, you block us, and then you demand a press conference from a person called Narendra Modi, who thinks you are a troll because you think we are a troll. राइट तो ये मीडिया का और गवर्नमेंट का और सरकार का जो इस बार का कोरोना को लेकर ये सारी चीज़ें थी, सो दे ऑल सिंगल्ड आउट इंडियन गवर्नमेंट एंड इवन वेंट ऑन टू lobby for foreign vaccines like Pfizer and US governments without thinking even the what are the repercussions. So that's it from my side, guys. I will come up with the next video next time. Till then, bye bye, namaste, Bharat Mata ki jai, Vande Mataram.